How to fix chat in chess.com. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first, launch your chess application from your gaming hub. Log into your account. After that, go to more, go to settings, go to play, then go to allow chat, and if it is set to nobody, set to everyone or as per your choice. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.